Kapag lumalabas na ang V60 ni Vivo, the next one na lalabas is definitely yung kanang Lite variant. And yes, this is the Vivo V60 Lite 4G. Meron pa siyang 5G variant. Pero hawak natin right now is 4G. Ito yung pinaka-affordable sa buong V60 na series, ang Vivo V60 Lite 4G. Now, given that it's the most affordable, kamusta naman kanyang specs, kamusta kanyang performance, kanyang camera, gaming, pag-uusapan natin after this quick intro. Now, as usual, yung box ni Vivo V60 is color black and meron siyang isang malaking ring dito, nakasulat V60 Lite. So, bubuksan natin. Andito yung phone. Meron tayong clear na case, malambot, quick start guide, warranty card, charging cable, and a 90 watts na fast charging brick. Wow, 90 watts And eto na yung phone. Ang ganda ng kanyang color Pag tinignan mo kanyang camera module, it looks kind of familiar. It quite resembles an iPhone 17. By the way, it comes in 3 colors. Meron siyang pop pink, titanium blue, and elegant black. This is, by the way, a titanium blue. Pero pag nailawan siya, medyo may kunting pagka-purplish tint. Now, Vivo V60 Lite na 4G na may 8256 na storage is priced at 14,999. And yung kanyang 8256 na 5G variant is priced at 17,999. And ang kanyang 12512 is priced at 20,999. More details on the description box below or just simply click the YouTube shopping link para makita niyo yung mga promotion, lalo na malapit ng 11/11. And mag-ingat kayo, wag na paligoy-ligoy, just simply click the links that I provided para hindi kayo ma-scam. Now, pagdating sa design niya, it looks kinda iPhone-ish. Sinabi ko nga sa inyo, yung kanang camera bump looks really like a iPhone 17 and nandito ang kanang outer ring, pero medyo maliit nga siya this time. Meron siya dual stereo speaker, so meron siyang speaker dito and meron siyang speaker dito. Now, pag in-inject mo ang kanyang SIM tray, it can host dalawang 4G na nano SIM. Walang expansion. Now, one thing to like dito is very simple yung kanang design. I like yung simplicity na itong phone na ito and yung kanang color dito sa likod, yung kanang matte finish. Looks very premium. Kahit medyo below 20,000 pesos siya. Gusto ko rin naman kanyang grip, saktong-sakto sa aking kamay, and hindi naman makanto dito yung kanyang likod. Another thing is saktuhan lang ng kanyang bezel, not the thinness, and okay din naman ng kanyang display. And by the way, kung gusto makita full specs nito Vivo V60 Lite 4G, here you go. Now, yung processor on this phone is nothing really new. It's, in fact, a very old chip. Though, for me, I would say na it's quite reliable kasi this one has the Snapdragon 685. Parang matagal na to So, sobrang highly optimized itong chip na ito, kaya siguro ginagamit pa rin nila dito sa V60 Lite 4G. Not bad naman kanyang score, 469,000 dito sa Antutu Benchmark version 11. And here are the other benchmark kung gusto nyo makita. Now, on day-to-day basis to phone na ito, I would say na pretty solid. Kasi wala kang maging problema dito, swiping from left to right, and of course, doing all of your multitasking, walang problema. Okay na okay ito phone na ito. You can do some light video editing, play some games, and the rest is okay na okay naman siya. One thing na nagustuhan ko dito sa kanya is malaki ang battery nilagay na dito. 6,500 mAh na Blue Bolt battery. And best of all, silicon carbon ang kanyang technology. So meaning, kahit malaki ang capacity, magaan pa rin ang iyong phone. Plus, mabilis ang kanyang charging, 90 watts. Siguro dito bumabawi itong phone na ito despite yung kanyang processors medyo luma na. And it also supports 6 watts of reverse wired charging and meron siyang bypass charging. Yun siguro hinahanap ninyo. Nandito na sa phone na ito. Pagdating naman sa usage, 2 whole days, walang problema itong phone na ito. Hindi mo makailangang mag-charge. Basta normal lang yung usage. Walang heavy gaming, walang heavy video editing, and walang heavy na mobile data usage. Walang problema ang 2 araw. In fact, nakapag-score pa ako ng 19 hours sa screen on time dito sa PC Mark na battery stress test. Now, in terms of display, this one has a AMOLED screen. So, I would say na okay ang kanya display. Probably not the best na AMOLED display na nagamit ko. Pero for its price point, solid na solid ang kanyang display. I was able to browse social media dito na walang problema dahil maganda naman kanyang refresh rate. And if you're watching videos naman dito, masasabi ko sa inyo na mag-enjoy naman kayo dito. Solid na solid naman kanyang display. Kahit anong content panoorin mo dito, walang problema. And by the way guys, this phone has the IP65 dust and water resistance and a military standard na 810H na protection. So meaning ko nahulog mo to accidentally, mag-survive siya. Now, tetest lang natin quickly ang kanyang dual stereo speaker. Meron siyang speaker grill dito sa ibabaw and dito sa ilalim, though it's not balanced kasi 3 lang butas sa ibabaw and 6 ang butas niya sa ilalim. Pero one thing's for sure, pag sinagad mo siya, aabot siya ng 400% ng kanyang maximum volume. Test lang natin on one song. I like tong song ni SB19 and ni Sarah Geronimo. And I would say na yung sound niya is quite loud. It's above average para sa akin. Not bad. Now, pagdating naman sa gaming, nakapag-3 games ako dito. Call of Duty Mobile, Honor of Kings, and Lite 84. Pagdating sa Call of Duty Mobile, okay naman ka ng gameplay. Though there are times na na-feel ko pag nagpapada ko left and right, parang medyo naiwan ng konti. Siguro nagkakaroon siya ng konting frame drops dito. As expected, it's a 685, pero overall ang kanyang gameplay is just smooth. Touch response is good, okay naman kanyang sounds, marinig mo ang footstep from the left and from the right, so meaning dual stereo speaker siya. And one thing to like naman dito sa kanya is maganda kanyang resolution. Pagdating naman sa Honor of Kings, okay na kanyang gameplay. One thing na nagustuhan ko dito sa kanya is smooth naman gameplay ko dito. Maganda naman ang settings na nilagay ko dito sa 685, and honestly, yung touch response niya is okay. Wala kang maging problema dito. Siguro wala akong na-feel na frame drops dito sa kanya, except that there are just a few occasions na bigla magte-teleport away sa yung mga kalaban, pero very minimal lang siya. Pagdating sa Lite 84, dito ko na feel na medyo sluggish siya. There are times na pag tumatakbo ka, parang feel mo na iiwan ka, parang nagsistutter siya ng konti. Siguro kailangan ko babaan ka ng settings just to get a better feel ng game. Overall naman kanya touch response is good, kanya sounds is good, pero medyo mainit lang siya, umabot siya ng 41 to 42 degrees Celsius. Napag-usapan natin quickly ang kanyang camera. Itong phone na ito having a 50MP na main camera sensor na Sony IMX882 and a 8MP na ultra-wide sensor. Ang kanyang harap is a 32MP na shooter. Both can shoot you up to 1080p and 30fps. Yun ang limitation ng Snapdragon 685. Now, tingnan muna natin some shots na nakuha natin from the Vivo V60 Lite and taking a look at some of these outdoor shots, mga plants, no? Makita natin na very natural tone ng attack ni Vivo V60 Lite. And I would say na quite sharp ang mga subject na na-capture natin. It's really nice and easy to focus to kanyang camera. Taking mga photos, mga flowers, outdoor is okay. And yung kanyang color is not so bad after all. Yung kanyang green is natural green and hindi siya OA pag tiningnan mo. Now, once you step indoor trying to take some product shot, okay din naman ang mga products na makuha mo. Sharp na sharp and maganda rin kanyang background blur. Kahit mga bins na ito, pag zoom in mo, okay pa rin. Very nice and sharp pa rin naman mga photos na ito. Now, I try to take some ultra wide shot. This is how it looks like. And zooming it all the way to 2x zoom. Clear na clear pa rin mga words dito sa kanyang menu board. Now, kung ang hilig mo naman is food photography, itong kanyang camera can definitely perform. Taking you some nice na food shot, except that just don't expect too much from it. Kasi yung color niya is tama lang, hindi siya oversaturated. And you'll get a pretty nice solid snap naman dito out from its camera. Now, kung kumukuha ka ng mga Christmas decor shot, okay din. Not so bad itong mga pictures na na-capture natin. And trying to take some mga novelty photos, okay din siya. Though there are times na napansin ko medyo nag-yellow tone siya konti, nag-a-adjust sa ilaw. But nevertheless, I would say na pretty nice and solid na mga shots na kuha ko dito from indoor sa mga plush toy, sa mga action figure, okay na okay siya. Kapag usapang selfie naman, mapapansin mo no, na medyo heavy ang kanyang beautification. Kahit wala ako sinet dito by default, masyadong gwapo naman ako dito. Mapapansin nyo no, na parang naka-lipstick ako, naka-makeup ako, and ang kinis ng aking mukha. Sana all. Pag indoor naman, same din, medyo makinis, pero mapapansin mo na medyo soft na talaga ang iyong mukha. Kasi yung mga details, mapapansin mo mawawala na. And it's very evident na medyo hirap siya on low light ang kanyang selfie camera. Now, tingnan natin some videos na na-capture natin from the front-facing camera. Resolution makukuha mo using 1080p and 30fps din sa Vivo V60 Lite. Not bad resolution. And honestly, I would say na pwede na. Medyo matagtag ka lang. And from the rear camera, ang video resolution makukuha mo dito from the Vivo V60 Lite. Shooting at 1080p and 30fps. Stable naman siya. Just a little bit jittery. Pero overall, I'm just using my bare hand. Okay naman siya. Kamusta naman kayo ng sound? Let me know in the comments. Ano masasabi nyo guys? And by the way guys, yung Vivo V60 Lite 5G na version, meron siyang MediaTek Dimensity 7360 Turbo na processor plus meron siyang AI na 4 season portrait na feature na wala dito. hopefully ma-review natin on a separate video. So don't forget to subscribe para ma-notify kayo. Now, given the limitation ng Snapdragon 685, itong phone na ito can still perform. Probably mabibiting ka lang ng konti pagdating sa gaming. Pero one thing na nagustuhan dito sa kanya, meron siyang ultra game mode which help enhance yung experience pagdating sa gaming. So far na-try ko PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, ML, wala kang maging problema. Lite 84, medyo mahirapan ka, and of course, huwag na natin pag-usapan mga AAA games, mahirapan talaga dito. Pagdating sa kanyang camera performance, I would say not bad, pero probably not the best kasi of its limitation na 685 can only shoot you up to 1080p and 30, but overall pagdating sa multitasking, this phone is definitely okay. Now, bibilin nyo nga ba itong phone na ito? Let me know in the comments. Kung interested kayo malaman kung saan nyo pwede mabili ito, I'll post the link on the description box below, or just simply click the YouTube shopping link. And if you know anyone na naghahanap ng phone just like this one, please feel free to share this video to them. And of course, in-encourage ko kayo mag-subscribe sa aking channel so you don't miss out any video just like this one. So paano yan? Hanggang dito muna ako, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace out. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.